Go ahead, bud.
So.
Oh, we found one. I got one.
Now, hey, collect them all and then you can open them all at once. It's so much fun.
Look all around. I see some.
Put it in your basket. You gotta collect them.
Another one.
How about it?
If you don't hear anything, that's probably good because there's probably money in it.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
How many are hidden?
Ah, look at that, a red one.
Count.
Did you count
Oh,
them?
but
That
I
one
think so.
has something in it.
three.
Oh, this one too.
Still.
I see another one. There it is. Whoa, I hear something.
You trying to see whether they're eggs or hand grenades.
There's more over there. Aiden, there's more over there.
Here's
In the
one.
sunroom.
Oh, here's one.
Boy, you're doing it quick, aren't you?
They're everywhere. Hey, there's one.
How about it?
Over there in the suitcase. And here's
Hey.
another.
Look
Look
behind
on
you.
the bookshelf.
Look behind you down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, keep looking.
How about it?
There you go. Come over here, Aiden. I think there might be one near here. You see it? Keep looking. There
Look
might
at
be
your
another
feet.
one.
Wait, I don't know. Yeah.
Look. Keep looking.
I think it's got lots of
There's
loot in it.
one.
Yeah.
Is that all of them, Nana?
No. There's a few
I
more.
see another one. Where?
You're getting warm.
Oh, you're getting cold.
Oh, Ray's pretty hot.
Hot. Getting hot.
Oh, go around the other way.
Very good.
Yay!
Yay!
There's something in there. Ew, that was little.
Aiden, there's a few more. Over this way. Wrong way.
Come over this way, bud.
There's not any in here. Wait.
That was sneaky.
There's a few more in the sunroom.
Keep going.
That's paper.
Where are they?
They say there's more. I don't see them though.
Brandon's got hawk eyes.
Uh-huh.
Brandon knows how to find the loot.
How many's left, Nina? 2.
Pick up some of those pillows. I bet there's some up
Three.
there.
There's one.
But here's something in it. Found one.
There's another one in there.
There's one more, bud. It's in there somewhere. Look under.
Gotta look hard.
This is a tough one.
He said, I found so many I can't tote them.
It's over by the door, Aiden.
Look that way.
Go look over by the door. No, this door. That door.
Look on the table. Look in something. Look on the top. Look down.
That one's hidden really well.
There it is.